I'm gonna be editing, I guess. Yeah. This is a hard edit course. And that's an easy one. Right there, that's an easy one. That's a hard one. Okay. Easy one. Oh, I messed up that edit. But it's this thing where they even let me edit it. Now we spend 6 hours here. Not before. There. There, finally, okay. Yeah, now we do the hard one. Let's get it. Get in there. Wait. Now we wait for me to actually edit this. I need to edit this. Why is there... What's happening? Okay. And I have a ramp rush. But I'll show you guys it later. Next vid about. I like Pete. You invite me. Okay. That was the oldest way to get invited in games. Like, you like Pete? Invite me. Okay. Okay, Brightmon was my favorite skin. It has the red hair, which I have. Is that pink hair or red hair? We'll call it red hair, because I have red hair. I can't even... The Me Classic. I'm about to do the Canada Classic. But it is... Yeah. I think that's it. I was talking to myself. I can't even move around. Look around. Okay, I can. Oh, I messed up. Okay. Okay, goodbye. Hope you all have a great day and hashtag guys, hashtag Epic Titan. I'm fresh. Oh, bye.